evening. Captured. Cops say suspects in Planters Hall quadruple killing now in custody. Norman Horn resigns from Senate but questioned about reluctance despite US citizenship. And Ruel Reid CMU corruption case decision put off until next month.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports commentary, and E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what can be done to control the spike of COVID-19 cases in rural parishes?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.